With the new update for the Messenger app, you can now change the theme of your chats to give them a fun color scheme and background. In this video I'll be showing you how to change your Messenger chat theme. Now let's get started. To begin, open the Messenger app and select the chat you'd like to change the theme of. Then tap the profile icon of the person you're chatting with in the top left corner. In the menu that appears, select Theme. Now look through the available themes and choose one that appeals to you. Tap a theme to apply it to your chat and check out how it looks. You can do this as often as you'd like. Some themes will also automatically change your emoji reaction button. You can easily change this to any emoji you like by tapping Emoji. Then selecting any emoji icon you want to have easily accessible as a reaction icon in your chat. The other people in the chat with you will be able to see the theme and emoji you've set. These settings are individual to each chat conversation, so changing the theme of one chat will not change the theme of all your conversations. That's all it takes to change the theme of your Messenger chats. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.